Hi everybody, welcome back to McLaren Greenwich and Miller Motorcars. My name is Nick Leiningen, and today we're going to be discussing some of the features of your 2021 McLaren GT key fob. Similar to previous McLarens, you have your unlock button here in the middle with the McLaren logo. You also have the lock button above that, and you have your trunk button for the front. What is nice about the new GT is you actually have some capacity in the back as well. To unlock the front trunk, you simply hold down the front portion of the key fob, and that allows access to the front of the trunk. And then around back, you actually have quite a bit more storage, and that is accessed via the key as well by simply holding down the back portion of the car. You see here you have quite a bit of storage in the GT, which is very nice, especially for those golfers out there. You can fit 2 sets of golf clubs, including your drivers, and simply close the trunk and stow away by the button there. It's as easy as that. Hope that helps.